Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook frozen dumplings. And this is what you need: frozen dumpling, oil, and water. I got my frozen dumpling from H Mart, but you can get from any supermarket. In a heated pan, we will add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And make sure to cook the pan really well. And also make sure the heat is at medium. And now we add in our dumpling. And then you let it cook or sear on one side for about 1 minute or until it becomes nice and golden brown. For me, once it's nice and golden brown on one side, I will flip it and then cook the other side for 1 minute or until it becomes nice and golden brown also. After both sides are golden brown, I will add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and then I will cover the pan with a lid. Now we keep the lid on for 5 minutes in low heat. Once 5 minutes over, I will take out the lid and let it sit there for about 1 more minute so the skin is a little bit more crispy. Our dumpling is done, guys. Now let's plate them. Our dumplings are done, guys. The skin is nice and crispy and inside is nice and juicy. I also made a nice dipping sauce for this. And the recipe of the dipping sauce is in the description box. Now let's take a bite and see how it tastes. It's nice and crispy on the outside and nice and juicy in inside, just the way I like it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.